Okay, we're going to look at some ratios and proportions here. Now what we have here from the book is some statistics, number of 3-point field goals made, also got number of 3-point field goals attempted. Okay, so right now, if you look at the first couple of columns, okay, so James, down to Anthony, there we go, to that stuff there. Okay, now James made the most, but supposing Bryant made 118 out of 118, well then surely he's the best because he made every single one. So it's kind of a relative statistic, is this, is 132 out of 384. Is that better than scoring 118 out of 336? Okay, well let's have a look. So down here, okay, so if James made 132 out of 384, there's the little verbal rule because I just said it. As a fraction, it's 132 out of 384. So there we go. Not too much, I mean, because that's a big fraction, not too much information there. But if you put that in your calculator and get a decimal, you get 0.344. Now I know that's 34.4%. If I had to change it to a percentage, okay, you move the decimal point 2 places to the right. So either way. So I'll just erase that. I'll just cross it off for now, actually. Okay. Okay, so how about Bryant? Right, he made one. If I remember, he made 118 out of a possible 336. Okay, so I'm going to write that in there. So again, as a fraction, 118 out of 336. Okay, again, that doesn't give me too much information. Now I am just going to erase this on the right hand side. Let's just get rid of this. This little bit here. Okay, so what's that as a decimal? Okay, well it comes out to be, if you put in your calculator, 0.351. So that's better than James, okay, in relative terms. 35.1%. So it's not just a question of who scored the most. Again, it's how many times you tried that. So I don't know what Wade did. If I go back up here, more statistics. Wade made 88. Well, let's look at Anthony. 63 out of 170. So even though he only did 63, okay, out of a possible, let's go back up, 170. So again, I would write that as 63 out of 170. If I put my calculator, calculator up, calculator. So what is 63? Cancel that. 63 divided by 170. That is 0.371 rounded. So actually 0.371. If I do that, Anthony looks like the best. He's got the best ratio there, hasn't he? Okay, the best statistics. Even though he didn't score many, he actually had attempted many. So he actually did, relatively, he's got the best statistics out of those three. Anyway, James, Bryant and Anthony.